When I feel what I feel. I don't even know if I can do this right now. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you have been here before. I don't seem like myself. I know, because I have mental illness. I'm very vocal about my struggles with anxiety on this channel. I'm very vocal about the fact that I usually do not have a problem with depression, but my depression comes in waves for about a week or two. I will just not be okay sometimes. I have to force myself to eat, and when I do eat, it's usually McDonald's because I really love McDonald's. And so I've been forcing myself to eat, and usually it has been McDonald's because I love it so much, and so that like makes my brain release endorphins because I'm eating something that I really like. And I just ate McDonald's, and so now I finally have just a tiny little bit of energy, and I have the endorphins to be on camera and filming a video right now, so I need to strike while the iron is hot. So today I'm giving myself a depression makeover. Ooh. My dog won't stop barking and it's getting on my nerve. So what's up with y'all? I mean, you can very clearly look at me and see how I'm doing, but how are you all doing? You know, how are you? How are your endorphins? How's your serotonin? Are you guys feeling chemically balanced? Please let me know. Let's talk about it. This is a safe space, baby. I've been feeling sadder than a Euphoria character, and it's not for any particular one thing. It's like a bunch of things. Like, I don't know, but I know that there has to be a healthier way to deal with this. But I will say, like, you gotta find the good in everything, man. And so the good part in this is that I'm catching up on so much sleep because I don't have the energy to care about other things. Like, I don't want to stay up scrolling on Pinterest looking for inspiration anymore because I don't care about that. So now all I'm doing is sleeping, literally. I know when a lot of people are dealing with like mental health issues, they can't sleep. I have the exact opposite problem. I have slept for days at a time because I was dealing with some mental health issues. Also, isn't it annoying how like not being okay is like a meme? Like, it's a little annoying. I mean, I do it too, but it's still annoying. I went to go complain about my eyebrows not being even, but like, sis, you got bigger problems. They ain't never even. Eyeshadow, I want to do pink and glitter. I think I'm gonna do like just all pink on the lid and the crease, and then like a holographic glitter in the inner eye corner, because that's just happy. I can't even smile right now like that. Like, almost physically hurt me. I'm also really annoyed that my dog won't stop barking. I know he just wants to get out of his cage, but I don't trust him to be out by himself if he's not supervised. It's like, maybe if you behaved better, you'd have nothing to be upset about. I'm kidding, guys. Please don't call the police on me and have them come do a criminal investigation because I'm not abusing my dog, unlike some people. If you guys didn't know, I stan NyraDelRey. I mean, if you know who NyraDelRey is, then you probably know that I stan her because my Instagram name is literally NyraDelRey. And she just dropped her album, and that really hasn't helped my situation. It's like, I thought we were having a hot girl summer, and then here comes Lana. I'm gonna say something really corny, but I feel better already. Like, just being up and actively doing something, I honestly feel better already. I still feel like crap, but I look better. Okay, so, oh my god, I've actually started my makeup. I have to finish. I've started this video. I have to finish it. I didn't want to do anything but sit in bed and sleep some more. My lips feel ashy. All right, the final step to finishing the makeup look. Lip gloss. My body's shutting down mentally, so I'm just really out of it right now. I want to go lay down. Makeup's done. Do I look happy? Alright, I'm gonna do something really fun and trendy. I'm gonna take these like variety colored bobby pins and I'm gonna like put them in real cute on this side of my head. Not gonna lie, I look pretty. I just feel like trash. Okay, I still feel like crap, but honestly, I look really good. I have on these little shorts because why not? And I have on this neon green bodysuit. And it's like really like a chill fit. I got some foundation on it, so if you peep that, shut up. It's really like a chill fit, but I feel confident in it. And I'm not showing too much because I feel really vulnerable right now, so I don't want to have like my stomach out and all that. Like I don't, you know, but I still feel cute. And yeah, when you look good, you feel good. And I don't feel good, but I feel better. Okay, so next in my depression makeover, we're going to recreate that one TikTok of that girl crying because her boyfriend broke up with her and she was dancing to make herself feel better, because I feel like there's some magic there. If the first thing she went to cheer herself up after such a hard time and she's crying and she's not okay was that TikTok of the Mariah Carey song, maybe that's the solution, you know? Maybe I should be doing that too, and then I'll feel better. Also, I'm not getting copyrighted, so I'm gonna be singing this song myself. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know, no. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. It's clear that you're... Okay, obviously after that, I feel 10 times better. Okay, the last step of this is going to be going outside, because I know this video has been lots of jokes, but all jokes aside, when you don't feel good, when you don't feel your best, when you feel that you're slipping into mental illness, go outside. I know it's hard. I am living proof. I don't even want to be sitting up in this room right now, let alone going outside where there are like people. I could literally gag at the thought of human interaction right now, but you have to, like literally you have to. What else are you gonna do? Be sad in bed? That sounds like a pretty good option, doesn't it? But realistically, you've gotta go outside. Okay, first of all, as soon as I take my nails off, I start to feel depressed. Coincidence? I think not. Also, there's a freaking cat. Oh my god. There's a cat, there's a cat, there's a cat, there's a cat. Bro. Hi, little cat. I should approach her very slowly. Catching a cat live on camera. She's like, ew, girl, you ugly. No. I just want to talk to you, shawty. Come here. Holy crap, she's cute. Cats can eat dog food. I think I'm going to give her some food, but I don't want her to walk away. I don't want her to walk away when I leave. Here I am in my backyard trying to save a cat that doesn't want to talk to me. I grabbed some dog food because cats can eat dog food. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. She's actually coming to me. Oh my god. I was not prepared for this and I'm scared. Okay. All right. There you go. Look, I'm backing up. It's food for you. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so scared. What if she attacks me? Look at this food for you, little girl. Here you go. Oh my gosh. Look at this food. Oh my god, I'm scared. Why am I afraid? She's being sweet. Okay, I'm backing up. Yes. Yes. She's eating it. Oh my goodness. Okay. How do I rescue a cat? Can I do this? I'm an adult now. I'm an adult. I live on my own and I have the right to make this decision. And I think I want to rescue this cat because I'm sad and I want something to take care of other than my dog. He sucks.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me looks. Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna.